Hey guys, welcome back to Guitars and Garages. I'm Trevor.
I'm Zach.
And today we're going to be teaching you how to play Tennessee Whiskey by Chris Stapleton.
Yeah, today I'm going to be showing you the chords and the rhythm in this song, and Trevor's going to be showing you every bit of lead to this song. Make sure you stick around near the end of the video where we'll be playing this song around full speed. We're just going to show you the intro, the verses, and the lead. We're not going to play the whole 4-minute song. We're just going to shorten it up like that. So if you do know how to play most of the song and you're looking to learn the lead, just fast forward. Thank you for watching. So for your first chord, you're going to be playing an A. It's a bar chord. You can play it this way, or you can play it this way. And then your second chord is a B. The timing for this song will be down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Again, it'll be down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. And in this song, I do palm mute the majority of the song just because I like to play it that way and it does sound good to me that way. But you can play a song all open if you don't know how to palm mute. So instead of it sounding like this, it sounds like this. And that's pretty much how you play the rhythm all the way through this song. Again, if you can't palm mute, it's not a big deal, but if you would like to know how I do it, I take this part of my palm and I just rest it right over the bridge at an angle like this. And you can go up, down, but you just hear your notes better once you find where your hand sits comfortably. See? So it's not very difficult, but it does take some getting used to. So again, not a big deal. But I hope you was able to learn it pretty easy. Now let's move over to the lead.
Okay guys, now I'm going to show you the lead into the intro. And something I'm going to mention, it kind of stays around the 6th and the 5th string. And you're mostly only using open fret and 2nd fret and 4th fret. Like, I mean, you're not going to any other fret. So with that being said, you're going to do open 6th, 2nd fret 6th, open 5th, 2nd fret 5th, and slide to the 4th. And then you're going to go open 5th, slide up from 2nd to 4th, and back down. Twice. And then you're going to keep that index finger on the 2nd fret, slide up one more time to the 4th, hit it 3 times, slide back down, and then you're going to go open 5th, and then I will mention that in the second verse they play something similar, but it's way more shortened, but it's just 0, 2, 0, and you slide from 2nd to the 4th, and then just pull off. And that's it for that lead, for the intro and the 2nd verse. Okay, so now for the solo, I'm not going to be teaching and explaining every note I'm playing. I will put tabs down here at the bottom of the screen so that you can follow along.
hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment on what we need to improve on. And this is the first time we've actually been able to do this in this kind of quality, and it's took a lot longer time than we thought to prepare and do this. But we really hope we were able to teach you and explain this to you well enough.
Yeah, sorry that this video is about 3 weeks late. As you can see, we've been working on the background for the tutorial videos and everything. And another thing I'd like to know is we really appreciate the support we've gotten from you guys. You know, starting up YouTube, we thought that we wouldn't see over, what, 50 views, 100 views, you think?
Yeah, never.
Like, we really thought it wouldn't take off like that. But one of our recent videos, Save Me, just hit 1,000 views, and I just want to say, like, really, like, thank you guys. That's awesome. It's awesome that we're reaching out to you guys and, you know, hitting at least a certain audience. Like, that's great.
Yeah.
But, I mean, I just want to make sure I let you guys know, like, we really appreciate everything, you know, that we've got so far. Like, all the views, all the likes. Any comments you guys have left, we've read every single one of them, and we try to reply to every single one of them, you know, if necessary. Like, but, I mean, other than that, that pretty much wraps this one up, right?
Yeah. Just, please don't forget, you know, we are behind, we know that. Yeah. But we're making a commitment to you guys. This is just a start of what we're going to be able to do. And we really hope that you guys don't hate us for not uploading and everything. Yeah. We're very sorry. But, again, this was a very difficult video for us because we played together a lot, but we've never played this song and tried to break it down. And that was way harder than we anticipated. So, again, we are new at making videos. So that was a new challenge we had to overcome too. Yeah. But again, thank you all so much for your love and support, and we really hope to see you next time.